Okay, well, don't have any. I should come up with more of a hook than saying I don't have anything to say. I actually have a lot to say, but I think it's all going to be said by way of the positions I want to share with you, because I really have nothing new to say about the market in general. It pretty much shot my wad in that respect. I will say that the past 6 days have been a total hoot. As I've said, like on Tuesday, end of day Tuesday, I felt like it was the end of the world and trading sucks and I don't want to do this anymore ever again. And of course, you know, anybody who knows me knows that that's the perfect time to get bearish when I'm feeling that horrible. So it's been great. Things have been going really, really well. And I wanted to walk you through my positions because I think they express neatly what I think the best opportunities are out there. And I wanted to start, as I so often do, with just the plain old spider, and say a couple of things about that. So this was kind of like when I was ready to jump off the Golden Gate Bridge. This was July 16. And of course, that's right when, Steve Eisman, Mr. Big Short Guy, declared it'd be insanity to short this market. What a dork. What a traitor. What a traitor to the cause. I don't like him anymore. So much for Big Short. He's just a permaball like all the rest of them. Anyway, that's when we collapsed. And it's a very chart-friendly market. I see short-term support as being this gap, and we got kind of close to it today. And I see short-term resistance being Wednesday's high. So this is kind of the range we're working with right now. And we're in the middle of the earnings season here. Next week's another huge week with Amazon and Apple and Microsoft, other giants. But so far, it's all been very kind to us. And of course, Powell on Wednesday does this little song and dance, this monkey dance. And as I said on my Tasty show, I hope he does cut rates because people get the idiotic notion that that's good for equities when in fact it'll start basically a 2-year bear market. So yeah, cut away, JP. Cut down to zero. Even go negative if you like. It ain't going to save you. So yeah, I welcome it. I welcome the rate cuts and the look of shock on the bull's face at what happens next. My one long position is silver. Semi-balls kicked in on this so far. I added to this today. I started accumulating it back here, and it fell hard today. I got some more here. Increased the position by 50% today. If it keeps falling, well, if it breaks below here, I'll never say silver again in my life. It'll just, I'll despise it at that point. As it is now, we'll see. If we can hold this line, that would be a very good thing because this is a very nice inverted head and shoulders pattern. But that's my one and only long. This is kind of like one long, 12 shorts. You can think of them as like Jesus and the 12 disciples here. If Jesus was a precious metal, it'd be silver. And as far as the disciples go, let's zip through those. Abercrombie and Fitch, ANF. And in each of these cases, the dashed red line shows where my stop loss should be. So I'll just kind of mouse over that so you can see what that's all about. Salesforce, CRM, like so. And these tend to be anchored to price gaps. EWZ, of course, our old friend Brazil. And in these that I've held for a few days already, which to me is like long term, I just tighten as it goes my way. Huntsman, huge pattern here, and the stop is up. See, I can send to back, and then I can point to that. See how that works? And you know what? We don't have a slope alert on this. Let's create one. If the last price is above this, then say violation. That's how you do it. Simple as that. If you're on a premium account. Otherwise, God help you. Jack was strong today, so I added more. This is an incredible head and shoulders pattern. So yeah, I'm getting a triple bacon cheeseburger on this one. Yeah, that's Jack in the box. Jack in the box. Now you're cooking, Jack. Here's Micron. I'm going to hold on to this one till we close this gap. And I think I mentioned this yesterday or something. This is not quite where I want it. Let's adjust that. It belongs right there. Yeah, anal, aren't I? I guess it makes the subject title appropriate then. Yeah, so way down there. What is that red line? Seems duplicative to me. And redundant. Yeah. Get out of here. That's better. See, I'm just dragging along while I do housekeeping. Good heavens, that's the wrong one. No, get back to, we're on Micron. Okay, so NVIDIA, this one is super important. I sold my October puts on this at a great profit today, and then at a pretty good price, not near the day's peak, I bought a buttload of August 16 puts, much more aggressive. And the reason I did that is because I think any move here is going to be quick. And there's no reason to have months and months of time on them. So this is very un-Tim-like to have so short of an expiration. But yeah, August 16, and my bug-eyed goal would be a trip down to 96.01. I would be dancing naked on a harpsichord if that happened. You want to see that. Here's ON Semiconductor. Nice day. Nice chart. Still hang on to ups. I'd taken profits on this is like, massive move down was like made my week. But I'm hanging on to the rest for hopefully an eventual trip all the way down to 108.46. I'm very gap happy, as you can see. I'm using gaps for stop losses. I'm using gaps for targets. In some cases, I don't really have a target. Like this one, no clue. I have no idea how long I should hang on to that. So yeah, I got the puts here. Big down day yesterday, big down today. Let's tighten this up like so. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know how long that's. Yeah, clueless. Here's XHB. You know this one well. This little bastard keeps trying to fight its way back. We need a plungeroonie on this one, but yeah, it's annoyingly robust. But this is a longer term play, and I want this thing to get smack-a-doodle-dude. And then a new one, and I wrote about this one today with my beloved premium members, got back into XLU, which has broken my heart over and over, and it better not do it again. But so far, so good on this. Nice profitable trade thus far, but utilities are weird. They were deceived into this whole AI fraud that's been going on. They're like an AI trade, which is just stupid. But we'll see if the chart works out. Very tight stop on that, just above today's high. And you know what? That's really all I've got to say. I've got another silly post later on. But, most other sites do like a post a week, and I do like a dozen a day, which is insane, especially since I have no ads on the site. But I'm insane, I suppose. I just get guilty if there's not enough content. So, yeah, that's my problem, not yours. Okay, I shall slip out of here. Bye.